Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing well, my dear beloved brother and sister. So as you can see, this is Nurulam. Welcome back to my English habit. So once again, I am here. This is a uh, Uttara Phonong sector area, and this area fully public area, but this is a private zone. Okay, and every time this place very secure. Okay, so that's why I came here and I record my video. Okay, come to the our main point. Actually today's weather very nice. Okay, and uh, but I feel like uh, raining. Okay, but I don't know. uh, uh, okay, so I will share you uh, I don't stop my English learning journey. Okay, actually, I want to really learn English. Okay, and I want to really speak English. Uh, uh, okay, and I want to really uh, learn English, and after that, uh, use my uh, life. Okay, English. So that's why every day I try. I speak English, practicing English and learn something. Actually, I, I am not a good speaker. I am not a better speaker. Okay, but every day I try some learning. Every day I try speak English. Okay, and every day I try uh, uh, some exercise. Okay, every day I try because I want to really learn English. Okay, so every morning time I, okay, this is rickshaw and passing by me. Okay, so that's why every day I try. Okay, so I am not a good speaker, I am not a teacher. Okay, and I am not a uh, good learner, but every day my best uh, give me my learning part. Okay, because I know inshallah I will be success, inshallah I will be a fluent speaker. Okay, so that's why I try. Okay, so don't worry, right or wrong doesn't matter, but every day I practice English speaking. Okay, and every day I try make video like 2 3 make video and upload my YouTube channel. Okay, I believe it, inshallah I will be success. And here are some people coming and go, as you can see. Okay, because this is a fully uh, public place, so that's why every time, especially morning time, this area fully busy. Okay, stay busy, and as you can see this brother joggings. Okay, so uh, okay, so I want to tell you, if you are a beginner learner, or if you are a good learner, you can try everyday practice, you can try everyday listening, you can try everyday speaking. Okay, and you can try everyday reading writing. Okay, because uh, uh, speaking, listening, reading, writing, uh, very important. Okay, so if you really learn English, if you want to really speak English, if you want to like good speaker. Okay, so uh, practice makes a man perfect. Okay, and no excuse, no comments, just everyday practice and everyday just consistency and continuous English speaking and continuous everyday practice. like me. Okay, so and don't worry, brother. Right or wrong doesn't matter. Actually, uh, I never uh, stop my English journey. I never speak English. Stop English. Speak English. Okay. I just follow everyday practice. Okay, because I know uh, practice makes me perfect. Okay, so I believe it. Okay, so if you want to really learn English, or if you want to speak English, uh, must be practice English. Okay, so uh, so otherwise you cannot success, you cannot properly English. Okay, so this is another road. This road very nice, neat and clean, and as you can see, there are uh, uh, the car is passed by me. Okay, and there are many trees here, and as you can see, this is a rickshaw. Okay, and uh, crossed by me. Okay, and this is fully fresh area. Okay, and this area fully busy, and this area fully secure. Okay, so that's why many people come. Okay, and here exercise. Okay, and jogging, and here walking, running. Okay, so this area fully safety area. Okay, so don't worry, uh, you can you can come here. Okay, this uh, this area Uttara Phondang sector. Okay, so as you can see, here some car. Okay, I don't know this car name. Okay, so here a brother coming. Okay, and passing me. Okay, and here some cars like uh, this is a police car. Okay, so don't worry, I just try practice video. Okay, so don't worry, passing me many peoples, as you can see. Okay, and today's weather here very nice. Okay, and as you can see, here another car. Actually, okay, here many cars. Okay, uh, here all cars row. Okay, so okay, uh, actually I want to really speak English, so that's why I I don't stop my speaking, and I don't stop my record video, because I know uh, peoples cannot stop. Okay, actually every day I try remove my shyness, because I have a many shyness. Okay, so that's why I I came everyday public place, and uh, uh, okay, and as you can see, okay, and okay, I came public place, and slowly uh, practice English speaking. Okay, so don't worry, uh, every day just try, like uh, because I know practice makes a man perfect. Okay, so that's why I don't give me excuse and any comments. I just try everyday practice. Okay, so right or wrong doesn't matter, but I I I want to speak English. Okay, I want to speak English. Okay, so that's why I make video like public place and where peoples come and go, and I I go there, I go here. Okay, and I record video. I understand. Actually, uh, if you are a shyness person, if you are a very fair person, you should uh, go public place and here record your video, or you can uh, make video in front of camera. Okay, and day by day your speaking English better, and your shyness, your fear day by day remove. Okay, because I prove it already. I prove it day by day. My speaking English day by day improving, and my shyness, okay, shyness day by day remove. Uh, right now, all everything not remove, but day by day something remove my shyness. Okay, so if you really learn English, you must be go uh, public place. Okay, and coming here a car, a like this name car. Okay, so you must be go there like public place. Okay, like railway station, like market. Okay, like another people practice where uh, many peoples come and go. Okay, because day by day, if you want to speak your English, okay, or uh, if you want to remove your shyness, remove your fear, so must be go there. Okay, because here many people stay. Okay, and you make video, you many people's see you. Okay, so it is very like it is very good time. And actually when I start my video like in front of camera, like I record my video, many people see me. Okay, like here this is a rickshaw, and a rickshaw passing by me. Okay, passing me and coming here another people. And many times, sometimes many people's I see me and laughing. Okay, but I I don't care people's, because this is a practicing video, so that's why right or wrong doesn't matter. But I try uh, continuous practice. Okay, and I try like stop not stop my record video. Okay, because I know peoples cannot stop me. Okay, so that's why I practice continuous practice, and I don't stop my record video. Okay, and there are many peoples come and go, and they are practice like exercise and jogging. Okay, and some people walking, and some people running. So this is a very beautiful scenery. Okay, because every morning time uh, here come. Okay, and every day practice English, no, sorry, every day like jogging, every day walking, every day running, okay, because exercise very health, uh, our health, okay. So that's why if you uh, uh, really fit, you can try every day, like exercise, jogging, running and walking, okay, because this your like you're healthy, keep fit, uh, this very good, okay. So uh, so that's it, okay. So I I believe it. um, any habit, any good habit, one day you will be better, okay, and one day you will be success, right, you know, my brother and sister. So that's why I create uh, uh, habit, okay, I create habit, like every day I wake up and early rise, okay, and every day I pray uh, Fajr Salat, okay, and after that I came here, okay. Uh, Actually, morning time, my recording video time, okay. So that's why every day I came here and record my video, because this is my habit, okay. I want to really uh, a good habit make, okay, because I know and you know, brother, only one good habit, your future bright, will be future bright, okay. So that's why I I try good habit create for my life, okay. So if you want to really learn English, or if you want to really success, like uh, job life, or student life, or any life, if you want to really success, so if you make a good habit, okay, just only one good habit, no many good habit create first time, but first time only just create one habit, uh, okay, and day by day one habit improve, and after uh, uh, another habit create, okay. But first time only just one habit create, uh, okay. So I believe, uh, inshallah we will be success, because every day I try, every day we try English speaking, okay. I know my brother and sister, uh, you try everyday practice English, okay, and you make uh, video every day, and you make already you create a good habit, okay. So don't worry, every day just practice, okay, keep learning, keep practicing, and every day just consistency, because uh, consistency, one day we will be success, okay. But never give up, okay, because we want to really learn English, so never give up, must be learn English, okay. So no excuse, no comments, only just practice every day, okay. Because I know practice makes a pen perfect, and inshallah, uh, practice one day uh, will be success, okay. So I hope you learned something this video and enjoyed with me. So thank you so much for watching this video, and see you soon in the next video. So tata, bye bye, Allah hafiz, assalamu alaikum.